Hello, I'm your coding yar, and here's how you can make cards same height in a row. This is a Bootstrap 5 starter template. Let's start with the Bootstrap grid system. Now let's add some cards to this. I'll be using the basic Bootstrap card. Replace these columns with your cards. I'll remove this fixed width of the cards and add the images. I'll modify the text to make the cards of variable height. Now to get the cards to the same height, set the height of the cards to 100%. You can either use Bootstrap class H100 or CSS height. Let's replace the class call with call SM so that the cards are stacked vertically on the smaller screens. To add some space between the cards, I'm using the vertical cutter class.